Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the detailed kebab recipe. Traditional collapsible kebab recipe. I will prepare this dish as 5 plates in sufficient quantity for 5 people. All the materials needed to make a sinking kebab: 1 kilogram of veal, 3 traditional pita breads, 4 large potatoes, 3 tomatoes, filtered yogurt, green pepper, red pepper, mixed vegetable condiment, ground black pepper, thyme, soy sauce, salt, a spoonful of pepper paste and tomato paste, 2 garlic, some butter. The materials needed to marinate the meats: red pepper, onion and tomato juice, milk, mineral water, liquid sunflower oil, three different equipment to prepare potatoes, meat and sauce. I will use 1 kilogram of meat. First, remove the blood in this meat. Add the meat into the strainer and weigh the while. I will do this after 10 days. I added the meat into the oil and kept it at 1 degree in the cupboard. Ten days after, remove the meat from the oil and purify it a little. You do not have to wait in the oil. Hard tissues in meat are separated by cutting with a knife. The meat will be sliced and the sliced meat will be marinated. You can apply it if you know how to marinate. The purpose of marinade is to be soft when the meat is cooked. You can cook pressure cooked meat without marinating. I want to show you all the cooking methods on this video. Cut off the beautiful part of the meat and cut it into fine pieces with a knife. Help your videos reach more people by showing a preparation. You can make this video popular by liking. Thanks everyone for support. Add salt into a large container. Add mineral water. Add 1 cup of milk. Add 1 cup of oil. Add onion, tomato and red pepper blend. Remove the juice from the vegetables. Squeeze the juice of vegetables with the help of thin cloth. The meat sucks in the sauce and it's very watery when cooked, but I had to show the traditional method. You can easily prepare meat using a pressure cooker without marinade. The meat should be kept in a container filled with a sauce for 2-3 days. I'm getting liquid oil on the top of the marination water. Remove the meat from the marinade water and purge it. I transfer the meat into the container to which I add oil. I want to prepare the potatoes and make the process easier before I start cooking the meat. I recommend you to use fresh and large potato varieties. Chopped potatoes in the thinnest and longest. Add finely chopped potatoes into cold water. Wait for the grill sealing to warm up. Pour the meat into the heated pan. You need to drain water that will come out if the meat is watered. Chop the meats long. Add oil to the pan. Add long chopped meats and stir. The meat is watered as it is seen. Pour this water and continue cooking until the water is exhausted. Add spice. Add salt. If the meats are not at the desired softness, add the pressure cooker. Add some soy sauce. Add half a glass of water and cook for 10 minutes under pressure. I will prepare tomato sauce while the meats are cooked. Prepare 3 granate tomatoes. Add crushed garlic. Add tomato and pepper paste. Add half glass of water. Boil it for 10 minutes and it will be a nice mixture. Traditional pita breads are chopped long and thin with a knife. Add the chopped pita bread to the bottom of the plates. Divide green peppers into two. Melt your butter and be ready to add. Add finely chopped potatoes into heated hot oil and fry. You can add a little bit of potatoes and get better frying. I check the softness of the meat. As you see, the meat is very nicely cooked and waiting to be served. Fry green peppers. Add the fried potatoes on top of breads. Add yogurt to the sides of plate. Add peppers to the sides of plate. Add meat on top of fried potatoes. Add the fried butter on the meat. Tomato sauce, add meat on top of the meat. Finally add thyme. Kebab is waiting to be served. I wish this be a success for those who want to try and eat. You came to the end of the detailed video recipe for you. Thanks to everyone who watched this video from start to end and support me. Goodbye. See you again in a new recipe.